Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change border style and border color in Excel. First I will show you how to change border style and border color of an entire Excel sheet, and then I will show you how to change border style and border color of a table in Excel. Let's start. Let's first choose the entire Excel worksheet, and let's click here and go to line style and choose the line style that we would like to use. Let's choose this line style. And let's go back again and then choose the color we would like to use. Let's choose red color and let's go back again and click on all borders. If I want to change the color and then border style again, I can do it. It's pretty straightforward. Let's go back to line style and choose this line style this time. Let's go back here and change the color to green. And let's go back, click on all borders. It is how we change border style and border color of an entire Excel sheet. Now let's see how we can change border style and border color of a table in Excel. First, let's create three small tables here. And let's choose the first table and let's right click on it. And then I click on Format Cells. This dialog box will appear. Alternatively, I can click on Control 1 and this window will appear again. I click on Border, and from here I choose the line style I would like to use, and then I choose the color, and let's choose red color. And then I need to update borders here as well. So let's click on top border, then bottom border, left border, right border, and inside borders. And then I click on OK. I changed the border style and border color of this table. Now let's imagine that I would like to change only first and last columns of this table. I can do that as well. First, I choose them. After choosing them, I right click on them and then I click on Format Cells. From here, I choose the line style. Let's choose this line style. And then let's choose the color. Let's choose green color this time. And then I click on top, bottom, left, right, and inside borders. And then I click on OK. I changed the border style and border color of the first and last columns of this table. Now let's imagine that I would like to change only top, bottom, left, and right borders. I can do that as well. First, I need to choose the table. After choosing it, I click on Control 1, and this window will appear. From here, I choose the border style. Let's choose it. And from here, we choose the color. Let's choose blue color this time. And I click on top, bottom, left, right borders, and then I click on OK. I only updated the top, bottom, left, and right borders. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Thank you.